how to lock your gallery with fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy phone, an amazing feature that 99% of users don't even know exists. Now let me show you exactly how to set this up on your Samsung device. It's easier than you think. First, swipe down to open the notification panel on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Then, from the quick settings icons, find the one labeled Secure Folder. Tap to turn it on. Make sure it stays enabled. After that, open your app drawer and find Secure Folder. Tap to open it. If it's your first time, you'll need to go through a quick setup. Simply choose a fingerprint or PIN to secure the folder. Inside the secure folder, you'll find some default apps already listed. To bring in your personal apps, just tap the plus icon, choose the apps you want, and they'll be moved into your secure space. After adding your personal app to the secure folder, just tap and hold on the app icon for a moment. Then, at the top, you'll see a new option called Add to Home Screen. Tap on it, and that's it. Your personal app will now appear on your home screen, protected with fingerprint lock.